is good, YouTube? It's your boy from Everyday Tripping, and we back with another video. It's another Vegas video. It's the other half to the other video that I dropped. So when we're in Vegas, we stayed at two hotels for the first half of the trip. We stayed at the Aria Hotel, and that's one of the newer hotels in Vegas. I believe it's the newest constructed hotel. We also stayed at the Bellagio, one of the more known, more popular hotels. It's the hotel with the water show in the front of it. And that's going to be in the other video. I'll have a card to that video on screen, but for this video, it's going to be the Aria. And you're going to see some clips from the hotel. I had some clips from the regular hotel lobby, and I also have some clips from the Holiday Hotel lobby. They actually changed it up while we were staying there, so you'll see that. But some of the clips are the same, but if you haven't seen, you will enjoy it. It's pretty cool. And if you are into vehicles, cars, racing, that type of thing, there'll be another card shortly on screen here for exotic racing down there in Las Vegas. Super cool, man. You do not want to miss that. And yeah, man, just enjoy the scenery, the sightseeing we got here on the channel, man. Have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, because there will be more content on the way. Y'all already know how we're doing over here, man. What up, YouTube? We just landed in Vegas. We at the airport right now. It's pretty cool. We finna hop in the Uber. We finna slide to the hotel, and I'll see y'all in a little bit, man. Actually didn't get an Uber. We got the Captain ride service. Pretty cool. They have Teslas, cool drivers. But this is the Aria Hotel lobby right here. The Aria is one of the newer hotels in Las Vegas. It's more of a youthful hotel. I'm assuming there's a lot of younger people in there. It's a younger crowd. The hotel was cool, cool staff, fun casino. The games were pretty dry. They weren't very rewarding, but it is what it is. You know how the game goes. They actually changed up the hotel while we were staying out there, so I thought I'd get another shot right there. They got the nutcrackers, the little Christmas ornaments. Thought you guys might enjoy the little change up right there. Little snowflakes and whatnot. And then in a couple seconds, we're going to go into the room. Rooms are very, very nice. I'll let you see it for yourself right here. For a new hotel, this was very, very nice. You could tell it's remodeled. Looks amazing. The shower was fantastic. The bath was fantastic. It was just amazing. I think it was better than the Bellagio. But hey, to each his own. The bathtub was incredible. Very enjoyable bath. The shower was incredible. Enjoyed the shower. The room was just amazing. The mattress was extremely nice. I also like how they have little curtains that open and close. Pillows were extremely nice. I don't know if you've heard about the pillows at the Aria, but they were just lovely. I believe you can purchase them if you would like. I didn't do that because I just got a new bed and pillows, but if you would like some pillows and you're staying at the Aria, for sure check it out. Would recommend. I'm gonna have some sights from out the window here, and I'll see you guys in just a second. So as you know, when you're on vacation, you get hungry, you want to try new food. So we actually walked through the shops at Crystal's, extremely convenient, right next to the hotel. We walked through a lot of designer shops in there. It's like a little mall in Vegas. Didn't do too much shopping down there, but it was cool to walk through nonetheless, see what it was about. We actually walked over by the Bellagio. We got some food over there. We got the Hattie B's chicken. It was pretty good. It doesn't compete to the chicken over here in Los Angeles, of course. We also got the pizza that is a secret. Couldn't get that on video, you know how it is. Some things just gotta stay in Vegas. I didn't get to record the food, however, because when I try to record the food for you guys, I get too hungry and I just eat it. But here's some shots from Block 13 and from Peppermint from the next morning's breakfast. Alright, and this is us at Resorts World after eating breakfast from Peppermill. Resorts World was super cool, probably the most rewarding casino in Vegas during our trip from the 7th to the 11th. Really cool hotel, man. I actually really liked it. I'm gonna have to stay there in the future. I like the art and the cool things that go on out there. And I guess during the holidays it would be even cooler because they'd have special decorations going on. But that's pretty much it. We got a couple shots of the decorations, the decor, and also the casino floor. So we're getting towards the end of the video here, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. A couple sightseeing videos for you guys on the channel. I know you guys have been waiting for it. There's also lots of concert videos. There's going to be a lot more car videos coming up very, very soon. And some holiday stuff because we are in December now. So I hope you guys enjoyed once again. Make sure you drop a like on the video. It is free. And subscribe if you are new here. If you enjoyed, stay till the end. You're a real one. You know what's up. And that's pretty much it, man. Thank you guys once again for stopping by. I hope you guys have a good day or night wherever you happen to be right about now. Thank you.